So guys, this is the sweetest and latest update of Learnify. Now if you want to upgrade your Learnify account to Learnify Pro, you click on this. Take note of my balance, so 112,300 naira. You click on this upgrade, then it will take you to a page. Make sure you have bought the L-Earnpro code, and if you check here, you will see that it is the 4,500 naira package that is active. I have not placed this 7,000 naira package, so now I'm adding the coupon code of the 7,000 naira package to this coupon code slot your package. Now this one will be active and the other one is inactive. Now the shocking part of this is that once you activate your 7,000 naira package, your 4,500 naira package will be credited back to your Learnify dashboard with no stress at all. Now take a look at my dashboard. 112,300 naira, but now 4,500 naira was added to it. Now look at it, take a look at it now. Who they breathe? Guy, Learnify is big.